Hello guys, welcome to Programming Hub. Today we will talk about the ending of Python 2. Yes, Python 2 will die soon in February 2020. Let's talk about backlash in 2006 when Python 3.0 came into introduction. The volunteers and officials felt the need that users should migrate from the older version Python 2 to the newer version, since they did not want to hurt Python programmers. So they decided to end Python 2 in 2015. They officially announced this news late back in 2008 that sunset of Python 2 would take place in 2015. Many of them did, but the vast majority didn't. So it was then decided to extend the end of Python 2 in 2020. And now the volunteers as well as officials are earnest from the concern of migration from the older version to the newer version. So here's the question: what's the deadline for migrating the source code of Python 2 to version 3? The effect shall start from the first week of February 2020. The Python announcement mailing list and the National Cybersecurity Center in August has given the statement that organizations should migrate code of Python 2. Because of the effect from February 2020, it should never receive any security update. There are only a few obvious reasons for shutting down of Python 2, and that are: Python 3 is not retrograded compatible with Python 2. As a result, significant changes in Python 3 are not portable with the older version. Python volunteers have also claimed that there are many improvements which Python 2 cannot handle. Working on improvements with Python 2 and Python 3 simultaneously restricts users and volunteers to make Python language faster. Further, in past years, Python 3 introduced substantial improvements that have helped itself to become the precise version, but was not correlated with existing projects that are already working. The security updates are further stopped for Python 2. If users receive any catastrophic security issue, volunteers cannot help them in any concern. Also, this could result in slowing down of software and other people who rely on particular software. With no further security update for Python 2, the declaration also states that your data and information would no longer be safe. So it's good to migrate as soon as possible.